you know the chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda? Well, today you'll find out. Let's start! The things that you need is 1 tablespoon of baking soda, half a cup of vinegar, a Ziploc baggie, and toilet paper. This could be very messy, so please do it outside. Pour your half a cup of vinegar in your Ziploc baggie. Now seal it tight and set it aside. Get your toilet paper and open it up. Pour your baking soda onto it and then create a mini pouch for the baking soda. Now open up your Ziploc baggie and put it in and seal it tight. There you pop. That's so cool. It just popped by itself. Nishi, how did Baggie explode? When vinegar and baking soda are mixed, they produce carbon dioxide gas. As more and more carbon dioxide gas fills up in the baggie, the pressure increases. Once the pressure is so high and the baggie can't contain any more, the baggie pops and making it explode everywhere. Thank you for watching. Bye!